Once upon a time, there were three little boys, and their names were Yak, Yaxadrak, and Yaxadraxadronia. And once upon a time, there were three little girls, whose names were Tsipi, Tsipidripi, and Tsipidripi Lofinphonia. Now, as it happened, those three little boys ended up marrying those three little girls. Yak married Tsipi. Yaxadrak married Tsipidripi, and Yaxadraxadronia married Tsipidripi Lofinphonia. And they lived happily ever